Video begins with a black and white, shattered image of a planet with faint, sad music. Have you ever felt like the world is a little broken? Like the vibrant colors of kindness and connection have faded to gray. It's a heavy feeling, one that can make you feel small and powerless. We see stories of division and conflict, and it's easy to wonder, what can I possibly do to make a difference? Feels like trying to fix a shattered vase with just your bare hands, overwhelming and almost impossible. The shattered planet begins to show a single puzzle piece slotting into place, bringing a small burst of color with it. But what if I told you that every small act of love, every tiny gesture of care, is like finding the perfect puzzle piece? What if you could see, right before your eyes, how these small actions can mend the cracks and bring back the light? The screen transitions to vibrant, colorful gameplay footage of Heal the World puzzle. Matching pieces cause a dull, broken landscape to burst into color and life. Trees grow, rivers flow, and cartoon animals appear. This is Heal the World puzzle. It's more than just a game. It's a beautiful journey of restoration. Each level presents you with a world that has lost its harmony, its love, its peace. Your task is to match the pieces, but with every successful match, you're not just scoring points. You're literally healing the world on your screen. You'll watch as barren lands turn into lush forests, polluted rivers run clear, and silent cities fill with joyful celebration. Gameplay shows more complex levels, with beautiful, satisfying animations of the world being restored. The music becomes more uplifting and hopeful. The magic of this game is its message. It reminds us that rebuilding a world of peace and love isn't about one grand, heroic act. It's about the consistent, collective effort of many small, caring choices. Each puzzle you solve is a visual representation of how your focus and care can create something beautiful out of something broken. It shows you the power that lies in patience and dedication. As you restore color and life to these digital worlds, you'll feel a sense of purpose and hope that extends far beyond the screen. The screen shows a montage of different restored worlds, from a vibrant city to a peaceful countryside. All filled with happy characters, Heal the World puzzle is your daily dose of optimism. 2. It's a relaxing yet meaningful escape that reinforces a powerful truth. Change starts small. It's a reminder that even when things seem shattered, there is always a path to wholeness, peace. Are you ready to start healing? To see for yourself how small acts of care can rebuild harmony and bring color back to a broken world. The video ends with the game's logo and a call to action button. Jet. Download Heal the World puzzle today and begin your journey of restoration. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring content. Let's start healing together.